guys, this is Maggie Osama from Online Learning School. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about the navigation tools in details. So here we are in Cinema 4D, and the navigation tools are basically these buttons here displayed on the top right of the view panel. And basically they are used to navigate a scene in our view panel. To make things more clear here, I'll add a cube to my scene just to show you what each button here can do. Okay, now the first one we have here on the left, using your mouse, if you left click and drag it, it will pan the view, or in other words, move our camera up or down, right or left. If you don't want to do that each time you want to pan your view, you can use a hotkey here. Hold down Alt key on your keyboard or Option key if you are using Mac. Then click your mouse middle button and drag. And as you can see here, I can pan the view without needing to go up here to the navigation tools. Okay. Now the next one, right to it, if you click and drag with your mouse left button, it will zoom in or zoom out. In other words, it will move the camera in the direction of view of the viewport. Also, we do have a hotkey for this one. If you hold down Alt or Option key if you are using Mac, then click your mouse right button and drag, it will zoom in or zoom out as you can see here. Next is the third button here. If you left click and drag with your mouse, it will rotate the view, or in other words, it will rotate the camera. Also, we do have a hotkey for this one. If you hold down Alt key or Option key if you are using Mac, then click with your mouse left button and drag, it will rotate the camera. There's a trick here that you should know regarding rotation. If your mouse is located anywhere in space here, and you try to rotate, it will rotate from the center of the screen, as you can see the plus icon here. But if you bring your mouse to any point that is inside our cube here and try to rotate, it will rotate around this specific point. So this is a good thing to know. So whenever you are out in space, regardless of where your mouse is, it will rotate around the center point of the screen. But if your mouse is anywhere inside an object, it will rotate around the point that your mouse has selected. Okay, so far so good. Now we have a last fourth button here. If we click on it, it will bring up the 4 viewports, and this is what we are gonna be discussing in details next lecture. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to Online Learning School YouTube channel and hit the ring button so you could get notified once a new video released. Thank you so much for watching and looking forward to seeing you next lecture.